Welcome to Product Critique, where we break down the best products on the market so you can buy with confidence. Today, we're looking at what we believe is the best Leviton 3-way switch white currently available, the Leviton 15 amp, 120 volt, toggle framed 3-way AC quiet switch. Model 1453-2WM. Sold as a 6-pack. If you're in the market for high-quality, reliable residential-grade switches, stick around, because this might be exactly what you're looking for. Let's dive into the overview. The Leviton 1453-2WM is a 3-way switch, meaning it allows control of a single light or electrical device from two different locations. This is particularly useful in places like stairways, hallways, or large rooms where having control from more than one spot is convenient and sometimes essential. It's rated for 15 amps and 120 volts, which covers the vast majority of residential lighting and small appliance needs. Design-wise, it comes in a clean, neutral white color and features a classic toggle switch style, making it a seamless match with most home decors. The switch is made of durable thermoplastic material that's designed to withstand impact in daily use, and it includes a framed toggle which adds a bit of structure and style to its simple design. When it comes to installation, Leviton makes it easy. This switch supports both side wiring and quick-wire push-in wiring. That means you can connect your wires in two different ways, depending on your preference or the layout of your wiring box. The side wiring uses large triple combination screws that are compatible with Robertson, Phillips, and slotted screwdrivers. A small but thoughtful touch that speeds up installation. These terminal screws accept up to no 12 Aruban Florins copper or copper-clad wire. Meanwhile, the quick-wire push-in terminals are designed to accept no 14 Aruban Florins solid copper wire. It's all about giving you flexibility and saving you time. In terms of build quality, this switch is residential grade, which balances durability and price very well. It's designed for grounding, which adds an important layer of safety by reducing the risk of electrical shock and improving circuit reliability. You're also getting a quiet action switch here. That means it doesn't have the loud, clicky operation that some cheaper switches have, which can get annoying over time, especially in bedrooms or quiet environments. The quiet toggle is a subtle upgrade, but one that you'll appreciate daily. This 6-pack is especially cost-effective. Whether you're doing a full renovation, building a new home, or just replacing older switches for better aesthetics and safety, the multi-pack gives you solid value. One important thing to note is that this is designed for use with 120-volt systems. If you're outside the US, especially in regions using 220-volt systems, you might need a voltage converter or a locally compatible switch. Always check your local voltage and wiring standards before purchasing electrical components. Shipping-wise, even for international buyers, like in India, it's available with a shipping and import deposit, and Amazon's fulfillment ensures it arrives securely and on time. So to wrap things up, the Leviton 1453-2WM 3-way toggle switch is a high-quality, easy-to-install, reliable option that brings together safety, durability, and classic design. The combination of quick-wire and side wiring makes it beginner-friendly yet professional-grade. If you're upgrading switches in your home and want something that lasts without breaking the bank, this is one to seriously consider. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future product breakdowns. Drop any questions or experiences with this switch in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video.